Tired of misplacing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to end that frustration, helping you find your most important items with incredible ease. What makes the AirTag stand out is its game-changing precision finding, using Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item with visual, haptic, and audio feedback right on your iPhone. Imagine pinpointing your lost wallet under a pile of laundry, or finding your cat hiding in a bush, all thanks to its incredible accuracy. No more frantic searching. Setting up these brilliant trackers is ridiculously simple. Just one tap with your iPhone instantly pairs your new AirTag, so you're ready to track in seconds. Accidents happen, which is why the AirTag boasts an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, meaning it can survive splashes, spills, and even a quick dip without breaking a sweat. These compact devices are perfect for keys, backpacks, luggage, or even attaching to a pet collar, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or traveling. Unlike generic Bluetooth trackers, the AirTag leverages Apple's massive Find My network, allowing millions of Apple devices worldwide to help locate your item if it's far away and out of your personal range. Ready to say goodbye to lost items forever? Check out the Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon using the link in the description below to secure yours today. It's an absolute essential for anyone prone to misplacing things, offering unparalleled tracking capabilities and seamless integration into your Apple ecosystem. Don't wait for that moment of panic. Invest in the best electronics of 2025 for peace of mind. Get your Apple AirTags now.